welcome to my crazy channel.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. Birds of a feather.
Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. If you are here for the first time, my name is Kathy and this is my Tweety bird. Yes, Tweety, say hi. In today's video, I want to show you my craft desk. Many of you responded in the previous video that you like to see how I transform an old desk that my dad and I found on the side of the road into this great crafting space. Are you excited? Let's get started. So this is what we found. Look at all the drawer space. So much storage for all my necessities. And this is solid wood. You know how much you would have to pay for solid wood? With a little bit TLC, we can make it work and give it a new life. By the way, thank you so much for reaching out to me. I've missed you so much. I appreciate everyone who wrote me messages and watched all the video reruns and just stayed in touch. I truly appreciate it. I know I have real friends out there and it just melts my heart. As you know, DIYing is not my business. It's my way of life. So I still do it every day. It's just don't always have time to spend hours to record and edit the videos. That's all it is. Just busy family life. But you know, as we go through the stages of life, things change. So I know I will always be doing this and I'll always be sharing as much as I can, okay? So thanks again for being my bestie and I love you so much. Let's get to crafting. First step, sanding. And thank God my husband is so good, always goes along with my crazy ideas.
What I like to do is I like to go with the grain. So the way the grains are going, that's how you work your way with the sander. Paper, I started with a 60 grit, so it's a little bit faster. And then I switch over to like 120, and then I'm just going to polish it with like maybe 220 grit paper. Okay. Have to sand every drawer, remove the hardware. Look at the beautiful wood underneath. Staining is next, and we are using the stain that we already have. It's called Classic Gray. You can use a soft cloth or a brush, whatever you like, and just spread it well. Just one coat because I want to keep it light. Isn't that beautiful? And next, for durability and protection, we had to get the polyurethane, and I picked the color clear in matte finish. One coat with the brush, dries clear. Don't think we are done. This desk is not wide enough for wreath making, so we are getting a piece of plywood. Plywood is $50 these days. We're also gonna need a couple of these to finish up the edge. That should work. Next, I go where they have the gas pipes and I pick up these nipples. They have 5 inches or 6 inches. I pick 5. And also these little flanges. And we're gonna raise up my table. As you know, I like to craft standing up, so my table has to be counter height. So these guys will do the trick. I got a set of 4, but later on I went back and got one more for the middle. I'll show you everything. But let me explain. First, I wanted to buy a crafting table desk, but the desks with the drawers come at the chair height. You have to sit down to them, so that doesn't work. Then the counter height tables unfortunately come without the drawers. Then there's some cheap, flimsy craft room tables, the tops are not wide enough for the wreaths. There was one table that fits all my criteria, the counter height with storage and wide tabletop, but it was like $600. Look at it on sale today. It came only in white. I wasn't gonna spend so much money and not to have exactly what I want. So we cut the plywood 36 by 52 inches and then finished the edge with a trim. Cut it at 45-degree angle for a nice finish edge. To attach it, we use the liquid nail and also the nail gun. We are going to stain this top and attach it on top of the existing desk using these guys, remember? Don't forget the wood screws when you're at the Home Depot. We put one in each corner of the desk, and like I already mentioned, we decided to get the fifth one and put it in the center as well. I actually asked my husband to put the fifth one off center so I'll still be able to fit my wreath underneath if I want to. And he's just making sure everything's nice and leveled. You know, he's a perfectionist. And now our new plywood countertop goes on top, and we are going to attach it with the screws from the bottom. And this is how I got my counter height crafting table with an extra shelf underneath. The back of the desk was ugly and finished because it's usually against the wall, but not in my craft room. You can see it as you walk in. So we used the floor tile to finish it off, and I think it worked out great. Quick and easy and didn't cost us anything because it was leftover anyway. And now we just need some drawer pulls and knobs. I went to Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, they have them for $1, but the size wasn't right. So unfortunate. So I wound up at Lowe's because I think Home Depot didn't have enough selection. I picked these dark gray with a rose accent, coordinating with my door handles. I was mindful to keep everything same style, like it was all designed that way. And what do you think about the final result? Comment, let me know if you like it. And just to show you, I love my craft table, not just for the look, but for functionality too. Look at all the drawer space. I use the Dollar Tree baskets to organize everything. These are 3 for $1. The clear one is for $1. Actually, I'm sorry, $1.25 these days. Still a great deal. So you buy as many baskets as you need to spread everything out. My pipe cleaners, wires, you know, everything I have at hand here. Look at all my pipe cleaners. This is a mess. I still have to, you know, work on it as I clean up my room. There's the shelf for my wreath, and I still keep my counter clean.
Right, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video when I show you more of my craft room and more DIYs to come. Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you're not gonna miss the next episodes, okay? Take care. Bye-bye. I love you. So my craft room is finally complete. I'm sorry about the naughty bird. In today's video, what? You got stuck? What? Oh, poor baby. What? That's what happens when your nails are too long. You see? Welcome to my crazy channel. Tweety,